Hi, I'm Joy. Today is May 7th, 2025, and I am so excited about today. Why? Because we are about to have a pre-construction meeting with our power utilities company, Southern California Edison, as well as the general contractor for our Condo community EV charger project that I have been working on for the last 4 years, since 2021. We are finally at the stage where they are ready to upgrade our 52-year-old condo community's electricity infrastructure to accommodate for 6 level 2 EV chargers. And I am so excited, and I cannot believe that this day is finally here. We are going to get these chargers installed in 2025. So let me go to the meeting and I will report back on how we're moving forward and what the timeline should look like. Okay, so we had our pre-construction meeting today, and this is the power source that is going to be upgraded and updated. So the timeline is on May 20th, Southern California Edison will come out and upgrade this. In addition to that, they are also going to pull the wire or the conduit from there all the way to here to prepare for the chargers that are going to be installed along here in this parking area. So all of these will have to go, which we're okay with. And they told us that this part with Southern California Edison should only take a day to complete. And once they got that upgraded and the conduit is pulled here, they said that this is where the gear is going to be. Then their work is done for the time being, and the general contractor will come over and pull the line from underneath. They said they're going to tunnel it alongside the sidewalk here. And this tree will have to go, unfortunately, which was in the original plan anyway. And they put marking here, one here, and then another marking here. So what's gonna happen is, right now, let me get a better perspective of this parking spot for you guys. So right now in this section there are 5 parking spaces, but we will have to make these two of these spots ADA compliant. So this first one and the second one will be ADA parking spaces along with chargers, because that's required by law. And then these two will be regular parking. And what they're gonna do is one single charger will be installed for this one ADA space, and another single charger will be installed for this one ADA space. And then these two will install a dual charger that will serve both of these spots. So they marked it here. So they're gonna pull the line all the way here, over here, and then, so there are 4 parking spots here for charging. And then also on this side, there will be 2 more regular ones. And again, they say they're gonna tunnel through all of this alongside the sidewalk over there. So let me come over this way. And this is the other two regular spots that they're gonna turn into charging spaces. And we're going to install another single dual charging level 2 blink charger here. So they did marking here. Basically, we'll have to get rid of this portion of the plant to install the chargers. Actually, they're not installing a charger. They're just pulling the wire all the way through here. And this part, they're aiming to have it start on June 6th. So after Southern California Edison comes over and does the electrical, pull the line on May 20th, then on June 6th, the general contractor will come out and pull the wire, do all the tunneling, all that stuff, and get these 6 spots prepared for charger installation. Now, what they're gonna do is they're gonna actually fence off this whole area. So they marked this whole area. And they're telling us that this is gonna take probably like a month and a half. Let's put it 2 months just to be conservative. So this whole area will be fenced off, and they're going to do their work. So all in all, we're looking at probably at the end of July at the earliest, or the latest early August for the lines to be pulled and ready for level 2 charger installations. So after the lines are pulled and they're ready to have the chargers installed, we cannot install the chargers just yet because Southern California Edison will need to come back out, energize the line, get the meter, the new meter registered, I suppose, and then there will be inspections done to make sure that everything is done properly before they can hand it back to us and say, okay, now you're ready to install these chargers. So today is May 7th, and we're looking at May 20th for them to do the electrical, they call this civil part of the project done. And then June 6th, they're gonna come out and pull the lines to all the spots behind me. And I think they said that it's gonna take like a month and a half. So yeah, end of July. And that supposedly also includes SCE energizing the new wire, the new line. They say it takes about at least 3 weeks to do. And then the metering, the new meter, and then the inspection. So yeah, maybe, I'm really hoping that this could be done in August, but this is gonna be done in 2025. I was joking with all the contractors and our project manager, and they're like, yeah, it's been 4 years, it's your baby. So then after everything is done, everything is approved, inspection is passed, then we can finally get these chargers installed. So hopefully September, by October, maybe another 5 months, we will have these level 2 community chargers online and ready for everyone. Now, our HOA office manager, he was in the meeting because he's the main point of contact, he told me that there have been an increased number of residents asking how they can install their own chargers, or they cannot install their chargers at their own parking spots if there is or will be community chargers. So he told them that yes, it's gonna be done hopefully soon, and I am so happy to provide this update that this is finally starting to happen, and in 2025, by the end of this year, fingers crossed that we will have level 2 EV chargers here on site. So this is the update, and again, I'm just so excited that this is finally happening. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next update. Bye.